There is a star orbiting in the halo of our own Milky Way galaxy that shouldn't be there. According to our best models of cosmology, it is older than the universe itself. This is HD 140283, affectionately known as the Methuselah star, and its existence threatens to break our entire understanding of cosmic time. Located just 190 light-years from Earth, this aging ember of a star is hurtling through space at over 800,000 kilometers per hour, a runaway from the ancient past. When astronomers first calculated its age using the Hubble Space Telescope, they arrived at a number that sent shockwaves through the astrophysics community. 14.5 billion years. The problem? The universe itself is only 13.8 billion years old. How can a star be older than the cosmos that birthed it? To understand this paradox, we have to look at what makes a star old. The Methuselah star is a population 2 star, a survivor from the very first generation of stars that formed after the Big Bang. It's composed almost entirely of hydrogen and helium, with barely a trace of heavier elements. It is a fossil from the dawn of time, a ghost from an era when the universe was a mere infant. But here's where it gets strange. This star is burning through its fuel at an agonizingly slow rate. It's what's known as a subgiant, a star that has exhausted its hydrogen core and is beginning the slow process of swelling into a red giant. By measuring its exact brightness, temperature, and chemical composition, scientists can calculate how long it has been burning, and for years, that calculation placed its birth before the Big Bang itself. This isn't just a rounding error, this is a fundamental crack in the foundation of modern cosmology. If the star is truly older than the universe, then either our stellar evolution models are catastrophically wrong, or our measurement of the universe's age is incorrect. Neither option is comforting. Astronomers have since refined their measurements, accounting for the star's oxygen content and uncertain distances. The age has been revised down to approximately 14 billion years, still uncomfortably close to the edge of possibility. The error margins now barely overlap with the age of the universe, but the tension remains. Consider the existential weight of this object. It is a living relic from the epoch of first light. When this star ignited, the universe was a radically different place, smaller, hotter, more violent. The first galaxies were still coalescing, the cosmic dark ages were just ending. And somehow, impossibly, this star survived. It has witnessed the entire history of everything. Every star that has ever lived and died, every galaxy collision, every supernova explosion, every emergence of life on every planet, all of it has happened while HD 140283 quietly burned in the void. It has outlasted civilizations, solar systems, and perhaps entire alien histories we will never know, and now it drifts alone through the cold halo of the Milky Way, a refugee from a time that should not exist. But here's the truly terrifying part. The Methuselah star is not unique. There are other ancient stars that push the boundaries of cosmic age. Each one is a potential contradiction, a whispered challenge to the story we tell ourselves about the beginning of everything.
What if the universe is older than we think? What if there was something before the Big Bang, a previous cosmos that collapsed and reformed, leaving behind survivors like this one? What if time itself is not a line, but a circle, and stars like Methuselah are caught in an eternal loop? The star continues its lonely orbit, indifferent to our confusion. It has burned for 14 billion years, and it will burn for perhaps another few hundred million more before it finally swells into a red giant and engulfs any planets that might orbit it. By then, humanity may be long gone. Our sun may have already consumed the Earth. The universe will have expanded into an even colder, darker emptiness. But the Methuselah star will still be there, a final witness to a story that began before time itself. And perhaps, if you could stand on a world orbiting that ancient sun and look up at the night sky, you might see something impossible. You might see the faint glow of a universe that existed before this one, a ghost cosmos, a previous iteration of reality that left behind exactly one piece of evidence, a star that shouldn't exist, a star older than time itself. There is a star orbiting in the halo of our own Milky Way galaxy that shouldn't be there.